Hi friends, for our letter center today, we're going to work on the letters I and J. Now, I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm putting my name on the top of my paper. Then using my very best handwriting, I'm going to practice tracing the I's, capital and lowercase I, and then I'm going to practice tracing the capital and the lowercase j's. Okay, friends, you're going to do all of them. I just did one as an example. Now, we're going to remember that I is going to say I, but it's a vowel, so it's also going to say I, like ice. Okay, so I is a vowel. It's going to say I, but it also is going to say I, like ice. Now, J is going to say J. Let's go over our pictures. We have an igloo, jug, iron, jelly, jelly beans, ice, jack-o'-lantern, and an insect. Okay, so again, we have igloo, jug, iron, jelly, jelly beans, ice, jack-o'-lantern, insect. Okay, friends, I'm going to cut out my strip. So remember, our thumb's going in the top. The rest of our fingers are going in the bottom. Pointer finger we're using to guide our scissors. And we're cutting our strip out. I'm going to cut off these little extra pieces. And then I'm going to cut out my first picture of an igloo. I'm going to listen again. Igloo. I'm going to put just a dot, not a lot, on the back of my igloo. And I hear So I know igloo is going to go by the I. Okay, friends, you're going to do the rest of the pictures by yourself, and then you're going to color. Remember when you color to color your pictures neatly using best kindergarten coloring, and don't go too dark because then I can't see what the pictures are. All right, my friends, I will see you back soon.